back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks and we talk about crypto from time to time. If you're new, please click my subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Well, today the stock market has been down. If we look at last couple of days, we've got the Trump tariffs, and several ways they impact the current stock market. Um, on Friday, we did have a few stocks up. Um, if we look here on Friday, we had to close out Nike, Innovative Properties, Dollar Tree, and Rocket Company was up on the day. So those were some companies that were up on the day. Nike, Dollar Tree, and Rocket Company. But the main news is the Trump tariffs. So the Trump tariffs continue to impact the market. Um, this latest this week. Um, some of the companies have responded. Trump tariffs chaos puts White House on defense as global markets tumble. So we have the Dow futures is down 2%. This is the Dow index futures. The S&P futures down 2.90%. Also, NASDAQ is down the most. This is your tech plays like Tesla, Apple are down 3.13%, and oil is down. So all this turmoil happening, the China stock market sold off on all the bad news. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon says Trump tariffs will boost inflation, slow an already weakening economy. And again, the Dow futures indicates 900 points downfall, and the S&P 500 bear market territory as tariffs caused the market to collapse. So it's a pretty tough weekend. More markets are selling off around the world based on the Trump tariffs. Okay, so it's not just U.S. market falling apart; it's global stock markets. No one has made a deal yet with Trump, so the market is going to continue to fall based off the current tariffs. So that's where your goods and services come into the country or taxed more with the tariffs. All right. And this is a negotiation tactic to put pressure on other countries to renegotiate their tariff on our products and goods and services going into their country. So that is the latest. The stock market is still tumbling from last week. Again, if you saw my video on Friday, I talked about shorts. So if you're into the market, you could do the SQQ. We're going to look at the SQQ, and the SQQ for today is up 25%. So 25% in one day, or okay, right now it's actually up 6.28%. But if you look at the last week, they're up 34%, the short of the QQQ. All right. So the short of QQ is a big put on the tech stocks. And again, over the last week, they're up 34%. If you want to play another short, you can play the UVXY. Again, this is based on if the market continues to fall. This is sponsored by company ProShares. Uh, again, these are pretty risky, but if we look at the last week, the UVXY is up 73%. So as the market continues to crash, you can play these ETFs, the UVXY, and I think there's one more, the SPYX. Okay, the SPYX. Let's see. Short. Short. Yes. There it is. The SPXU. Short. Okay. So the SPXU, the short on the S&P 500 is up 33% in the last week, and also the up on the day 6% in pre-market. So you got about three of them if you want to trade for the short time while we are in this crazy market situation. Um, the SPXU, the SQQQ, while the market continues to fall because the tariffs are not going to go away anytime soon. So right now the SQQ is up 6.35. Again, keep your eye out on the shorts if you want to, make some short-term trades or gains in the market. And I think that's about it. Again, the big news is global market selling off after Donald Trump's tariffs are in play and no new negotiations have happened. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I hope to see you on the next one.